Hi, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Immanuel. I'm so happy that you're here today. You are enjoying watching this video. In today's video, we want to talk about emotional intelligence at your workplace. Why it's important for you to be emotionally intelligent in your workplace. So the first sign is know what stresses you. So you need to understand what makes you angry in your workplace, be it a coworker or a specific situation, why it bothers you. You need to find the root cause why. Sometimes it's a deep-rooted problem that you need to sort that issue in order for you to remain calm in every stressful situation. Because when you are able to remain calm in every and any stressful situation happening at your workplace, that's a definition of you being emotionally intelligent. Sign number 2 is you being positive. We are so good at being a pessimist, seeing a problem in everything else, especially at work, but forgetting that when we are an optimist, when we are positive individuals in our workplace, we bring good energy with the people, with our co-workers, thereby creating a good teamwork mate that everybody is willing to work around to accomplish a common goal. So I know it's easy to be negative all the time, but try to think positive and look for the positives in every situation. These will help you develop that intelligence of being an emotionally mature human being. Handling conflicts well. An emotionally intelligent person knows how to disagree with others while being respectful and kind at the same time. You need to learn how to balance your empathy and your assertiveness while standing out for yourself. You don't need to disagree and offend other people all the time. Learn to disagree peacefully in a nice way. That way, you become an emotionally intelligent individual who knows how to resolve conflicts around the workplace without hurting others. The fourth sign of an emotionally intelligent individual is controlling your emotions. Obviously, this means if you are able to remain calm in each and every situation around your work, this really speaks volume. Also, your co-workers will know that you are an emotionally intelligent person, because this is a person that even your co-workers are willing to work with, because you contribute to a good working environment, because you are not a hostile individual that is always angry and people are uncomfortable to be close to or have to walk on eggshells around. So learn how to remain calm in your work environment. This is another sign of someone who's emotionally intelligent. Finally, the last sign is you need to work on how to show empathy. This simply means understanding that other people have emotions and they also have their own opinions. So look at the situation from their standpoint, from their viewpoint, from how they feel or how they see whatever situation that is not only making it about you. Because when you make it about them, you are then able to understand them well and help them the right way, and even address them appropriately, respectfully, because you understand how they feel. And this is what emotionally intelligent person is able to do. This is just a few tips. Thank you so much for watching this video. I don't know if you're finding value in these videos, in these shared topics. Please let me know in the comments, and of course help the channel by liking the video and by subscribing to the channel. I'm out. I catch you in my next video.